Light and sound, my friends. Light and sound. And electricity. The fizzing, jolting, burning breath of life and darkness. Tight coat of darkness wrapped around the evening, wrapped around this electric evening. Something is coming. Look, listen. Something is coming. Some awful thing is about to happen. Light and sound, my friends. Sound and noise. Noise and silence. Silence and sudden light. Sudden light and sudden darkness. And in the light and in the darkness, a heart will soon be beating. Beware, beware of the heart that will soon be beating in a rhythm that will pound the ground under your frightened feet. Something is being made here. Something is being made from light and sound and body parts. Light limbs and sound mind. Light limbs and sound mind and darkness. Now begin. Take this lifeless body. Take the electricity that buzzes and hums around it and harness it. Make it do your bidding. Make it dance. Electricity crashes into the body like a meteor falling to the waiting earth. Fire hurls itself at the body like a dragon yelling at the universe. Life starts to shuffle around the long dead veins. Life starts to slither around the long dead arteries. Life attempts to stand, staggers, falls, attempts to stand again. And the head bulging with all the thoughts you've ever had, all the thoughts you've discarded, forgotten, buried like bones in a field. This is life's bell beginning to ring. This is life's balloon beginning to rise. This is life's metal bashing more of life's metal. This is life taking tentative steps legs that don't belong. And the head throbbing with the electricity of being. The electricity of being here and now and moving like buried bones standing up in a field. And these buried bones will soon be standing and walking towards you all.
and I took what you gave, but you never noticed that I was in vain. I knew what I wanted, I went out and got it. Did all the things that you said that I wouldn't. I told you that I would never be forgotten. I knew in spite of you. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing.
Dr. Frankenstein, with all the things you've brought to life, tell me, are you satisfied? Well, are you happy now? And Dr. Frankenstein, there's innocence in every crime, some in yours and some in mine, but it shouldn't be allowed. 'Cause it's not where you go when you die, it's how you live when you're alive, who you touch and how you feel it. You have, it's how you cry and how you laugh, who you love and how you mean it, and do you mean it? And Dr. Frankenstein, to think you wasted all this time of making monsters in your mind. Well, I hope you proud.
Stand up and think. Stand up and walk. Stand up and stumble into the burning darkness that we call life. Through the shattered mirror of ugly death. Along the rasping B-road of stinking breath. Limping to the vortex of tomorrow with limbs you had to beg and steal and borrow. Crashing through the walls that held you tight beneath the cover of this exploding night, knowing nothing but the need to be a monster built from parts of you and me. You know us. You are built from fear and lies, but we see ourselves reflected in your eyes. We see ourselves reflected in your eyes. See ourselves reflected in your eyes. Ourselves reflected in your eyes. Reflected in your eyes. In your eyes. Your eyes. Eyes. Eyes.
Wasn't that amazing? Thank you so much for joining us this evening. We hope you enjoyed the display brought to you by Tower Hamlets Council and Walk the Plank. We would like to take this opportunity to thank all of the staff and the crew who worked on this incredible event. A huge thank you also to Golden Voice AEG Presents, producers of the new All Points East event, which launched